Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly you have to open like a recent section, which you can access by tapping on this square here, and here you can see all of your opened apps. So to close all these apps at once, you can tap on this clear all button or on this wipe button, and after that all of these apps will be closed at once, and yeah, no recent items as you can see. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.